Hi everybody, so my name is Kweku Bani, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change any color in Photoshop, shall we? Alright, so let's go to Photoshop and then let's bring our image. Let's pick this. Let's drag it in there. Okay, let's duplicate it and then let's call this one. Now let's select our image. Let's pick the quick selection tool and then we click this one. One of the things I hate about Photoshop is selection. I really hate it.
You'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong.
Alright, so we are done with our selection. This looks quite good for me. You also want to click on select and mask. Okay, I think I'll leave everything like this. Also click on decontaminate colors and then I'll choose new layer with layer mask and now click on OK. Want to give it a folder. Let's call it effect. Click over here on the mask, drag it up on top of the folder. Then leave it like that. I like to use the hue saturation. You could change it to any color you want because you have freedom. Change it to any color you want. So amazing. So amazing. So this is how you do it. You could also change it to deep, or you could bring it down to light. And even put the lightness down to make it more black. See? So you have options, you have a lot of options. And when you mute it, come back to your original color. So guys, so this is how you change the colors of your clothes or any object in Photoshop. Just play with the hue saturation. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the bell icon, the subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down there, give me your suggestions. I love you all. Peace out.